You know, it's doing better than the stock market these days. This YouTube channel. In the last 100 days, this channel has grown to be over 100 subscribers and over 100 hours of watch time. As a brand new creator, I think that's amazing. So thank you so much to everyone who has contributed to that success. In this video, I would like to share a few of the learnings that I've had and a big promise for you guys at the end of the video. So number one is I am so grateful for AI. Now, I'm hoping all of those engineers out there are figuring out how to most environmentally take care of the energy needed for AI. But what has been holding me up in the past from creating videos is editing and script writing. In 2019, I was ready to go, make this YouTube channel as soon as I got to the editing part. I had a full-time job and a family. Editing was not there for me. And now, not sponsored, but I use Gling AI, and it is a total game changer. So thank you so much. If you sponsor someday, I highly recommend going that way. I don't know. Now it sounds like an ad. So I am a Toastmaster, was a Toastmaster in my corporate setting. What held me back there from doing more speeches was the script creation. And now I tell ChatGPT my video idea, what the points that I want to cover. At the end, I have a really good outline. I don't use a transcript. And so hopefully it's getting better as we go along in my own presentation skills. Number two is, yes, AI is awesome. However, be careful. So within this last 100 days, YouTube ramped up its focus on shorts. So I thought I'd jump right in. I got Opus Clip, an AI editor that takes long form to short form. So I just let it have at it and uploaded them away. And it wasn't until the Northwest Sector series, which is number 8, that finally someone within the shorts community, thank you so much, for pointing out that the way that it was clipped actually made no sense. There was no connection to that the Northwest in your home, if you live in North America, is about travel and helpful people. That person was so helpful. I do have a new short strategy going forward to make sure that it actually does make sense. Number 3, there are a lot of steps that go into creating these talking head videos. From creating a script, even assisted with ChatGPT, buying lights, microphones, setting up tripods, then finally recording, potentially again and again, editing. I just use iMovie, and then I talk to ChatGPT again, and then I upload, and then Opus Clip and upload some more. Oh yeah, and those thumbnails, believe me, I'm working on those. Still more work to do. There are a lot of steps, even for these really basic videos. Anybody who is like totally not stressed about it, they either have that background in film and video somehow, or they've got a team behind them. So to us new creators, I feel you, all of the parts. Number 4 that I am so grateful for in this last 100 days is for the platform. And for me to talk about my passion. As an architect for the last 15 years, I've quietly been squirreling away little nuggets here and there of Feng Shui. I think it is this extremely practical framework for creating design in your house that we've kind of overlooked. Maybe it's like hiding in plain sight and it's like too obvious. And then perhaps the name sounds too foreign and woo-woo. If you're starting from point 0, or you're like just buried in and don't know where to start, and so you're kind of at a different point 0, it is a framework to guide you into making selections that also may benefit personal development goals. And if you're just on the personal development goal side, this is a place to memorialize working on your mindset and shifting to an abundant mindset, there's a place within your home to memorialize that. Or if you are ready for a relationship and you want it to be known in the universe that you are looking for that love, or to enhance the love that you have. Or if you are working on health, another place within your home to say, yeah, I'm doing this work and I'm disguising it with a vase. That's really fun and it's reaffirming. I look forward to the algorithm bringing more of us closer together. And then finally, my promise to you is that this channel is here to inspire and give you possibilities for you to design a home that you love, that what speaks to you. It's not about having a certain style. The style is you. The style is your growth here on earth and your life and the goals that you want. Don't do anything if you don't love it. You feel it in your gut, in your heart, in your head. If things are creating stress, if something is stressing you out, that's not the direction to go. So this channel is a safe space to think about ideas that truly relate to you and your soul. So thank you so much. I love you. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.